you passed something.
What did I pass?
It was like a writing on the wall.
Yeah, but be quick with it, because we gotta go over because everybody's coming from one.
I know it's
There's more inside, come.
yeah, I figure. We're actually not.
I'm scared.
What else is new?
What do you mean what else is new? You're scared too.
Yes, but I guess it's to be expected. Gosh, what do you think the writing means?
Sorry?
What do you think this writing means?
I don't know. I'm sure there's a code decoder.
Oh, how convenient. There's water fountains. And an exit sign. Must be a mineshaft. There's the emergency exit.
I have always liked the very beginning where the idol gets real angry.
Door. More writing that I can't seem to translate. Just start the bats. I don't see any bats.
Come on, Jeremy.
I found the bats.
I've never looked up.
Look up.
Look up.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, it says do not step on diamond-shaped stones.
Oh, I can see. I think I was all the.
Miraculous journey. Here in your transportation devices
pay attention to
are
that.
genius vouchers for safekeeping all earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. And to keep you safe and sound, here are special belts attached into the seats. Simply pull from the right, inserting it into the left, like so. You see the excellence of this invention? Your off-road journey is high speed and turbulent, going over rough and rugged terrain, and then suddenly you are turning sharply and dropping suddenly. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you. Now, my friends, one final word of advice. Once you have entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous. Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders that await you, if you are in the eyes of Bahamut, that is.
Temple of the Forbidden Eye continues to beckon visitors from around the globe. They all heard the tantalizing tales. The matronly movie star made young again. The paupers who became Rockefellers in these ruins. But a darker tale has surfaced. Many visitors are claiming loved ones have disappeared inside. Could it be they looked into the eyes of the idol? The reports reach Indiana Jones, who returns to the site of his great discovery. Our newsreel camera follows Dr. Jones as he enters the temple. 1 week later, and still no Indiana Jones. Could Jones himself have locked eyes with the idol? Or will he solve the riddle of the lost tourists? When and if he does, Eye on the Globe will be there.
Welcome, my friends, to the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. I, Sawa, shall now give you counsel to safeguard your miraculous journey. Here in your transportation devices are ingenious pouches for safekeeping all earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. And to keep you safe and sound, here are special belts attached into the seats. Simply pull it from the right, inserting it into the left, like so. You see the excellence of this invention? Your off-road journey is high speed and turbulent, going over rough and rugged terrain, and then suddenly you are turning sharply and dropping suddenly. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you. Now, my friend, one final word of advice. Once you've entered the Chamber of Destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous. Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders that await you, if you avoid the eyes of Mara.
The remote jungles of India's lost delta. From all over the world they are flocking here, following a strange story of a mysterious temple and gifts from the gods. The story begins 1 year ago. World-famous archaeologist Indiana Jones.
I don't know, you're planning on saying it out loud.
Let's say it out loud. The hearing of mom and dad.
You have to be because you're...
Lightning, rain,
Oh yeah, you gotta get
Unos 2 años después soy militar. Unos 2 años y creo que no soy militar. Dale, va a estar entonces como 2 pulgadas y media. Voy a pasar de su cuarto.
successful expedition.
Salud. Para que solicitan necesitamos que permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado y que mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Vigilen a sus niños y pasen
Directly in front of us. But seriously, travel to the temple can be quite rough. Keep safe and sound. Stay well seated with your seatbelt fastened. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport. If you are traveling with children, you must keep a close watch on them. Your transport approaches. I wish you a most successful and wondrous expedition.
Buenos días. Su vehículo está por llegar. Para que disfruten del viaje seguro, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Vigilen a sus niños y estén atentos al motor y
Greetings, my friend.